This is the Amputated Leg Simulator from ProTrainings. What we've got here is a leg section with a full amputation. So it's quite lifelike. You can see the bone and the flesh down there. So it's a very good, easy to use device for practicing use of tourniquets. Also on here, you've got another packable wound, so you can practice using Z-Fold wound clot or gauze to pack out the wound. The wound itself is very good because it squeezes like a normal limb. It feels very lifelike. And you can also put tourniquets on it. You can put the lower one and upper one. You can bandage it, and it's quite easy to work with in the classroom. So you can use it completely dry. You don't need to put blood through it. It's very good in its form like that. Makes the lessons much more realistic and a lot more interesting and informative for the students because they're actually treating something that's real and visual. This limb also comes with the equipment you need to put false blood through it. To start with is the blood solution. Now you can put different blood solutions through it. This particular one, it looks like it's a half-used bottle, but it isn't. It's just got the blood concentrate on the bottom. You literally just add water to it, shake it up, and then you can use that blood simulation fluid. You can also use other systems. We sell different sorts of bloods as well, depending on what you need and what you've already got. Also comes with a header bag, so with this you can actually pre-fill it with blood and allow blood as constant flow, but also it comes with the pressurized option where you can connect the hose on so you can have a forced element of pressure coming through with the blood. So with this, you literally just pump it up so you get the pressure, and then from here you can control it. So by pushing the button up and down, you can even make pulsing type blood for an arterial type bleed, or you can hold it constantly for a venous type bleed. You can select which wound you want to bleed just by putting one or two hoses at the top. And this, we connected both of them. If you just want one of them to work, you just disconnect that hose and seal it off, and you can just leave that on that side. The other real advantage of this is if you're working with blood coming out of this end, when you put a tourniquet on and you put it on tight enough, it will actually stop that bleeding. So it's really, really visual. Now in the classroom, if you're using it with blood, it can get very, very messy. So we suggest it's something you want to go outside with. But you can also just put water through it. I know it's not as realistic, but while demonstrating the application of the tourniquet, putting water through it will mean it's a much cleaner element. People aren't going to get the red blood on them, but they will be able to practice putting the tourniquet on tight enough. So this is available from any of our online stores at protrainings.uk/store or First Aid Online. And if you want any more information about this or any other wound simulation, please contact us.